And welcome back to Ekua's cooking show! Yeah! I'm really excited about what we're going to be cooking today.
Hi there.
Uckles, you're not supposed to be here. What do we talk about? I promise I'll do a good job. I really want to cook. Please. Okay, this is the last chance though. Okay. Now, as I was saying, we're going to be making something extra special today. Banana fritters. Banana fritters? Yes, banana fritters. These banana fritters are inspired by a country in Africa. There's a flag. Do you know what flag that is? I know, it's Ghana. I got it right. Haha. Yes, it's Ghana. Anywho, these are really delicious and easy to make. We of course need some bananas. Oh, I can do that. I'll mash the bananas. Okay, Uckles. You can mash the bananas. Here, you take this and mash the bananas while I get the other ingredients ready. So, the next thing that we need... Uckles! I'm trying to do a show here. All right. Thank you, Uckles, for mashing the bananas. I'm going to add the flour, the sugar, and cinnamon this time. Last time we had a little bit of an explosion. Boom. So now, let's add the rest of the ingredients. Hey, I can do that too. I got it. No! There, that's better. Uckles, these are gonna be terrible. Okay, now we're back. We had our papa fry the fritters on the stove. Let's see what the fritters are gonna taste like. I invited my friend Kwesi over as a special guest. His dad is from Ghana, and so he's gonna be our taste tester today. Hello, friends. You ready, Kwesi? Here we go. Let's taste the fritters. Okay, here you go. Well, Kwesi, what do you think? It's delicious. Yay! He likes it, friends. I want to take his word for it. Kwesi will eat crayons if you let him. Anyway, doodles. Oh, maybe we can try again next time. Thanks for watching. See you later.